Then there's the other level of being, which is the spiritual, where you begin to say, okay, you know what? I have had my experiences in this world. I have created impact and everything. But you see what? What is more important for me is to know who I really am. Who am I? Yes, I have understood that there is the environment as part of my system, there is the body as part of my system, and then there is the mind as part of my system. There's then the soul, which is spirit. I want to know more. I have chosen to become spirit orientated. At that level in life, you grow out of the competition. You grow out of the need to be valued by other people. And you begin to see that there is something higher. And then that is not the purview of this video, because spirituality is far beyond my scope. I am talking about how a human being can become a better entity on this planet, how a human being can make the best use of their mind to succeed at whatever game they have chosen to play. Okay, if you want to know about spiritual things, maybe you should go to the church, or you go to the mosque, or you go to the temple, or wherever it is happening. But here on this channel, we are talking about how you can become the ideal human being at the level of mind, at the level of impact on society, at the level of impact on other people, at the level of taking away from you strain, stress, and suffering. Remember, this is not about removing pains, because you cannot stop pain. As long as you are alive, there will be pains, because pains are the gains other people bring to our lives. Suffering is how we interpret the pains in an adverse manner. You get it? So suffering is a choice. Pain is not a choice we make. So having known that, we now move on to the last element, which is having. To have means to be in a position to maintain contact with something. To maintain and retain contact with something by way of maintenance, acquisition, and sustenance of value. That is what having is all about. To have, therefore, is to control. Okay? Is to control value. Is to give value. Is to exercise value. If you have the sense of these, you will understand that you don't have to physically handle something, to physically label something as your own for you to be able to have it. Those who actually have without stress are people who are able to exercise the capacity of their being. Because as a being, you are the cause. You are the primary and the first cause in your universe. And then from then on, being that, you create the cause actively. When you're able to create the force, the effect actively, the consequences are that you will have. As a man soweth, so shall he also reap. As a woman soweth, so shall she also reap. As people sow, so shall they reap. It is the law of the universe. It can never, for any reason, be breached. Not because of you, not because of anyone else. So if you are having any particular experience now, understand that you are the cause. Because you are the cause, it also means that you can change it, because the power is within you. It is not spiritual, it is mental. A lot of people create problems for themselves by transmuting something material, something mental to spiritual. And it is then they are caged and bound. If people are misbehaving towards you, it is you that created the opportunity. If you're lacking in anything, it is you that created the lack. If you are having pains in any part of your body, you created those pains. It is not done by human beings. If human beings even did them, it is because you gave them the raw materials to do them and you opened the door for them to bring them in. All you need to do is to reappraise your position and shut the door. Begin to create new experiences. This is the power of our humanity. The capacity to assume identities, the capacity to move from one identity to another at will. Whatever identity you are assuming now, if you move away from it, the effect that follows that identity will wear out over time. Okay, so what is it that you want to achieve in your life? What do you want? What have you chosen? Embrace that choice and then create the personality. Become the effect of that choice and see the choice materialize over time. Sometimes we are impatient when we are working towards transformation. We just feel the thing must happen now. And if it is not happening now, we lose faith. You see, one of the catalysts of the powers of our humanity is faith. Without faith, it is impossible for a human being to achieve a desired effect. Now you see, when you have no faith, okay, in something, simply means this: your absence of faith implies absence of faith in the conscious, which invariably means the presence of faith in the unconscious. This is where it all happens. Without faith, no human being can survive a minute. You are watching this video right now, you're breathing. You are not conscious of how you are doing it. It's just happening. It's automatic. When you have so much operated on a certain level of life, it becomes automatic. So when you say you don't have faith, it simply means that you have so operated at a very low level of life that automatically you operate faith in that area. In order to change from that area to a higher level of being, you have not been able to master it. So all we simply say for you to generate faith is to keep holding on to what seems to be difficult. Keep holding on, keep believing, keep pushing. Over time it becomes automatic. If you are a driver today, try to remember when you started learning how to drive and see the stress you went through. You couldn't take one hand away from the steering. You had to hold the steering wheel with both hands and you were very conscious. But over time, like in today, how do you drive? You don't even know how it happens. You just enter the car and you ended up somewhere else. It is automaticity. It is about auto processing. In the same way, what seems difficult today can become an auto process tomorrow. So if you are about transforming your life, you are putting in effort, it seems difficult now. It is because of that. Keep at it. To change, somebody told me that this thing you are teaching is very difficult to be able to change the way I think, and I told the person, keep at it. If it is not difficult, then it's not worth it. Keep at it. Even I am learning. We are pushing because we understand one thing. There is nothing that will happen if I have not caused it. And I cannot cause anything to happen if I have not become the thing that causes that thing. Okay? You can't ask a frog to crow in the morning like the way a cock will crow. They are two different entities. It is the function of a cock to crow. It's not the function of the frog to crow. Right? Life has roles for everybody. It is the role that you have assumed that you become. The power of humanity is that we have seen it all through the evolutionary chain. Therefore, we can become anything we want to become. The choice is yours. Become so that you can do, that you can maintain value. That's all. Thank you.